what's happening guys, it's Bharat Nagpal, and as predicted by us, Micromax has unveiled their new Canvas phone. It's not called the Canvas 3, it's called the Canvas HD. So possibly they'll come out with more devices, as Micromax CEO today told us that they're going to be launching several new products, including 30 new smartphones and several new Canvas devices as well. So we're looking at the Canvas HD. It's called the Canvas A116. Essentially built on the Canvas 2 platform. This phone has a nice and large 5-inch HD display, so it's a 1280 by 720 pixel display. We have a front-facing camera, 0.3 megapixel, home button, menu button and back button. The fact that this device runs Android Jelly Bean out of the box is absolutely brilliant. On the back we have an 8 megapixel camera with the LED flash and a secondary microphone which will be used for noise cancellation as well as audio during video. We have the speakerphone at the bottom, a 3.5mm headphone jack along with the charging port on the top. On the right we have the power button, and on the left we have the volume rockers. Nothing on the bottom except the main microphone. The device on the inside has a 1.2 GHz quad-core MediaTek processor. We also have a PowerVR SGX GPU. The fact that this device comes with 1 GB of RAM and 4 GB of internal storage makes it exceptionally interesting for us. It's slightly sleek if you look at it compared to the previous version of the Canvas. So in front of the Canvas 2, it's much slimmer, much more nicer to look at. If we look at the user interface, so although the display is fairly visible outdoors, we've decided to bring it indoors, and you can see we have the Jelly Bean lock screen over here. You can quickly unlock the device or go into the camera from here. You can also jump directly to Google Now. You can see that we have the Google Now interface. Do a quick search and see what's the weather like. So it's obviously telling us the weather in Fahrenheit. We need to set that up, but it's working just fine. Let me quickly see if I can open up our website real quick. And the browser looks nice. The display is fairly vivid. We have a nice viewing angle since it's an IPS display. You can see it loads up the full web page without any issues. We're running the stock browser, very, very smooth pinching in, very, very smooth kinetic scrolling as well. Seems like Micromax really has a winner with this device. It did not shift to landscape, maybe rotation is turned off. Let me check. Okay, so rotation was turned off. Let me get back into the browser. Let me see if I can switch now, and it does switch. Very nice. So you can look at the fact that we have quick launch widgets on the top over here. You can change your sound profiles. You can change Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, etc. And you can also set the brightness, timeout, auto rotation, all of that. We have your notifications which are over here. You can slide to quit them or remove them from the notification panel. You can access all your widgets and everything. Now since this is running Jelly Bean, you can see that you get all the new Jelly Bean features, including Google Now. And you will also get the new keyboard, which will give you continuous input as well. So you can go into keyboard settings and get the new Google keyboard. So you can see that the device seems to be just fine. We'll be back with a full unboxing and hands-on review of this device, so you can stay tuned for that. If you have any questions or queries, you can leave them in the comment section below. And do subscribe to us on YouTube. I'll see you later, guys. This was a quick look at the Micromax A116 Canvas HD.